preacher's son, but no preacher. Done some things my daddy none too proud of. Well, I played some folks I gained, broke hearts and deals, walked away, and I ain't the type to hang my head in shame. My daddy says,
son, you're gonna get yourself shot one of these days.
And I said, Daddy, you gotta be quick to shoot me down. My daddy said,
son, you better watch yourself or you end up in jail.
but I said, Daddy, don't you preach to me. Well, I ain't one of your damn sheep. There ain't no cop smart enough to take me down. Sit down, don't you make a sound. There's no one like a smart ass Eli Jones. My name is Eli Jones. I sure am pleased to meet you. Stick with me, man, you won't go too wrong. Well, I've been shot and nearly killed, but look at here, well, I'm standing still. And these prison walls ain't gonna hold me long. But my daddy says,
son, I hope you're thinking about going straight.
and I said, Daddy, I don't think I even know how. My daddy says,
Son, how can you be so resigned to your fate?
and I say, Daddy, don't you preach to me. Well, I still ain't one of your damn sheep. Next time I'll be smarter. No one can stop me now. Sit down, don't you make a sound. 'Cause no one like a smart ass Eli Jones. Now sit down, don't you make a sound. 'Cause no one like a smart ass Eli Jones. Now sit down, don't you make a sound. 'Cause no one like a smart ass. No one like a smart ass. No one like a smart ass Eli Jones.
Down by the alley, some kids splash water, the season has come. I remember when there was enough to make me feel alright. Had the little boat that we were, burning the longest summer we ever had. Sunny days, songs that mess around until the morning comes. La 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 la, la la la, la la la, la la la, la la la. Smile when you're down and tell me you're still mine. Got no heart left since you gone. Got no flame and got no song.
See the big man sleeping on that dirty bank. He used to be the king with the whole sin in his hand. But one day I heard the loss is mine. But me and one, and I tell you why. April '92 in a small town, a young man pledges honor to the old man's cloud. Come with me, my son, don't be afraid. The time has come to see your face. It's a long way down. It's a long way down. It's a long way down. Years are gone, and that is too. I had no other choice but follow a rule. Hold the throne to a bunch of thieves that suck my blood while bending their knee. They drag me down. Luna but so super tired. It's a long way down. 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 See the big man sleeping on that dirty bank. He used to be the king without a word he couldn't stand. But if one day you walk down to the pier, you find a man who disappear. Every night I sit by the fire, staring at the window when it rains. I got no one else to think about, so tell me you won't leave me again. Don't surprise me with a trip to Asia. Come with me, I'll drive us to the next B&B. No, I don't like the smell of brand new car. I prefer my old Sunbeam. They call me man of habit. You call me man out of it. They call me man of habit. Why should this bother me? Call your friend a trendiness when you wanna go buy new clothes. I still wear my flannel shirt since 1994. Yes, I know you wanna change me, but what I got is all I need. They call me man of habit. You call me man out of it. They call me man of habit. Why should this bother me? I'll be every morning watching birds by the cliff. You can push me, kick me, try to break my heart. Maybe then I'll rest in peace. They call me man of habit. You call me man out of it. You call me man of habit. Why should this bother me? I'm just a man of habit. You call me man out of it. You call me man of habit. Why should this bother me?
Put my head in my hands and I'll start to pray. Well, I got to say, today ain't my day. All this truth you're throwing at me, I can't get out of its way. Well, I guess I take it. But all the same, well, I admit to thinking through the consequences. It don't look like you and me are gonna be mending no fences. There you go again, raising the stakes. Well, I shouldn't call you. I should fold and walk away. But I know you got me, and you ride your luck till it breaks. Well, I guess I see you and see out this game. But a house of cards can't be built on good intentions. And my ace in the hole, it ain't even worth the mention. Restless blues, restless blues, restless blues, restless blues. Itchy feet, babe, that ain't no news. It's the same, plain on restless blues. Restless blues, restless blues, restless blues. I'd shed a tear, but what's the use? It's the same, plain on restless blues. I see their bellies by the door, and I know what's coming Lord, I ain't asking for no forgiveness. Just help this running fool stay on his feet. Open up, honey, let me come inside. I need a little place to hide for about a day or so. I've been running on now half a week, getting so I can hardly speak. Now I wouldn't know what to say. I know you don't own me, I know you disown me. You can spit and kiss my name, you can lay the blame, and that's okay. No forgiveness, I don't even want your sympathy. But if I stay on the street, well, law's gonna track me down. So help this running fool stay on his feet. Just about half a mile from this town, in a mansion built on barren ground, the sheriff's wife would play at home, sneak out the back while he put up the front. But this time I had to run, 'cause the sheriff, well, he's a dangerous man. Click, bang, what the fuck? Oh, I heard a shotgun, and I ain't stopped running till today. And Lord, I ain't asking for no forgiveness, I don't even want your sympathy. But if I stay on the street, well, the law's gonna track me down, and they won't stop till they found this running. Ah, yeah. This porch, I'm sweating like a sinner sitting in church. Neighborhoods watching burn a hole in my head. Another 20 minutes, I could be dead. Come on, baby, I don't understand. I'm